Today we're going to review some multiplication facts. When we multiply 15 times 12, I want you to understand that it's the same thing as multiplying 15 times 2 plus 15 times 10, because 2 plus 10 is the same thing as 12. When you understand that, it will help you understand about that saving the spot or holding the spot that you've learned about in the past. So, I want to show you, let's do this side first. So, 15 times 2. You know, this should be a fact that pretty soon you're memorizing in your brain to know the answer, but let's go ahead and multiply it out. 2 times 5 is 10. So, the 0 is here, and I carry the 1 over here. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 more is 3. So 15 times 2 is 30. That's a fact you should be memorizing in your brain soon. Then the other thing we have over here is 15 times 10. And I think most of you know when you're multiplying something by 10, you simply add a 0 to the end of that, or if you're multiplying by 100, you would add 2 zeros to the end of that. So I know that 15 times 10 is 150. So if I add these two together, I should get the same answer as what I get over here. So 150 plus 30 is 180. So let's see how that looks over here. 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to carry that 1 over here. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 more is 3. There's my 30, just like it's here. That's the concept I'm wanting you to see. So now we're going to do 1 times 15, but really that is a 10. So that is why this spot is being held. Some of you put an X, some of you put a 0. But that, I haven't multiplied anything yet. I'm holding my spot because I'm multiplying by 10. Nothing can go in the ones column. So 1 times 5 is 5, and 1 times 1 is 1. So there's my 150, just like here's my 150. My spot was being held by that 0. So if I add these together, 180, 180. Let's do another one. What I'm trying to let you see is why this goes here. And again, some of you put an X and some of you put a 0. The 0 is truly what's there from 150. But then sometimes you think, oh, I should put a 2 there or a 3 there. There's never going to be anything here but a 0 or an X. So let's do the same thing down here. 27 times 3, 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 more, 81. And here, 27 times 10 is 270. So, let's take it over here. And let's add these together and see what we get. So we'll know at the end. 115, 351. So let's see what we get over here. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 more is 8. So there's my 81. So now multiplying by 1 here, I'm going to hold my spot. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's add it together. 351, 351. So, let's look at a couple of problems here to practice together because you're going to see some this week. 19 times 14. 4 times 9 is 36. The 6 goes here. I regroup my 3 over here. 4 times 1 is 4, and 3 more is 7. Now I'm holding my spot. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. This 3 was from the earlier one, so I don't have to add that in. 6, 16, 266. Let's do this one. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. And one more is 22. Hold my spot. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Add it up. There you go. Now, just to kicking it up a notch here, if by chance we had 3 digits, let's just say we had 132 times 121. The first time I'm going to do just like I always do. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. Now I'm at the second spot, so I hold a spot here. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. Now I'm going over 2 spots, so guess how many spots I have to hold here? 1, 2 spots. Now I multiply. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. I'll add those together. 8, 9, 5, 15,972. That's just extra, but you need to know this soon. You're going to see some more multiplying facts today throughout this week for our lesson.